In the Week 3 assignment, you'll be working on basic camera techniques. In this assignment, you will take 8 images using 4 basic composition techniques. It is recommended that you take at least 10 of each image and submit your best one for each photograph. You will need to edit and choose your images prior to submission. Do not crop your images. Submit them as taken in the camera. You will submit 8 images to the Week 3 Dropbox. Stopped action photographs require a shutter speed of 1/500th of a second or higher. Do not use flash. You will need lots of light for fast shutter speeds, such as on a bright sunny day or with a very strong flood lamp. Try using shutter speeds of 1/500th, 1/1000th of a second or higher. Digital cameras usually have a program mode for action shots that look like a person running. Be sure you have ample lighting so you can get a fast enough shutter speed. Submit 2 photos of objects, people, or animals stopped in motion. For example, jumping, diving, or a skateboarder. Do not submit an image of a ceiling fan, however, or water from a faucet. Blurred motion photographs require a tripod and a slow shutter speed of 1/15th and lower. For these 2 photographs, you will need less light. It is best to photograph before it is too bright out. Please, no camera movement. Use a tripod or a monopod, or stabilize your camera in some way. The background should not be blurred, just the moving object. Panning motion photographs move with the action. Panning is a technique that you pan your camera along in time with the moving objects and end up getting a relatively sharp subject, but a blurred background. This gives this photograph a feeling of movement and speed. It requires a shutter speed of 1/30th of a second and slower. Try to get close to the action for panning. Read the material on depth of field in class before beginning. Demonstrate depth of field by controlling your aperture. Submit 2 photographs that demonstrate depth of field using the same subject matter and location. Be sure to leave plenty of background for comparison purposes. If you're using a smartphone, you may have to use the online depth of field simulator for this photograph.